Go home happy with the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, tires all season, bed liner, satellite radio. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.